Hey everyone, welcome back to Trove, your daily spot for the smartest tech drops, reviews, and honest deep dives into what's actually worth your money. Today, we're talking about something Apple nailed so perfectly, it might just ruin every other streaming box for you. Because once you experience this, going back to your old Fire Stick or laggy TV apps will feel painful. So imagine this, you turn on your TV and it just works. No ads flashing across the screen. No lag, no jittery motion. Just a clean, buttery smooth cinema-grade picture with sound that hits just right. That's Apple TV 4K in 2025, and in this video, you'll find out if it's worth buying, which model to choose, the must-change settings for day one, and the secret feature Apple doesn't talk about that quietly makes it the most powerful streaming box ever made. Speed meets sanity. Here's the truth. The number one reason people fall in love with Apple TV isn't just the picture. It's the peace of mind. Every app launches instantly. Scrolling feels like silk. No lag, no delays, just speed and precision. tvOS 18, the latest software version, is focused, fast, and beautifully minimalist. No ads, no sponsored clutter, just your apps, your shows, and your preferences right where you left them. Even better, it stays fast for years. If your built-in TV apps or that cheap $40 stick have started dragging, switching to Apple TV feels like unlocking a new TV altogether. Picture quality that feels cinematic if you want your movies to look like movies, not like a soap opera. Do this the second you set it up. Go to Settings, Video and Audio, Match Content, and turn on Match Dynamic Range and Match Frame Rate. That's it. Those two options fix 90% of the common streaming issues. Fake-looking motion, washed-out colors, and crushed shadows. Now your 24 FPS movies will play exactly as intended. HDR plays as HDR. SDR stays SDR. Skin tones become natural, motion looks like film, and details pop even in dark scenes. Set your main format to 4K SDR 60Hz, then let Match do the rest. Bonus: if you own an iPhone, use Color Balance. It literally uses your phone's sensors to color tune your Apple TV to your exact display in under a minute. Audio. Finally, clear dialogue. Without the noise, you know that feeling when you can't hear what the actors are saying. So you crank the volume only to get blasted by the next explosion? Yeah, Apple fixed that. With enhanced dialogue, voices become crisp and balanced. No distortion, no muffled tones. Pair it with HomePods or a solid soundbar, and you'll immediately hear the difference. Late night binge? Just connect your AirPods and enjoy spatial audio that feels like a private cinema inside your head. Got a Sonos Arc or AV receiver? Enable EARC on your TV and Apple TV. It routes every HDMI input through your best speakers. It's like upgrading your entire setup without changing a thing. Live TV and sports, the smoothest you've ever seen. Apple TV 4K absolutely crushes live TV and sports apps. Whether you're watching YouTube TV, Fubo, ESPN Plus, or NFL Sunday Ticket, they just run better here. Multi-view support means you can actually watch 2 to 4 games at once, without lag or app crashes. And when you have match frame rate on, motion is crisp. No matter if it's fast-paced football or cinematic drama, if you stream NBA League Pass or MLB TV, this box is your secret performance upgrade. Gaming, no console, no problem. Here's what most people don't know. The Apple TV 4K isn't just for Netflix and Apple TV Plus, it's also a low-key gaming console. You can pair PS5 DualSense or Xbox controllers instantly, Rumble support included. Play Apple Arcade, retro emulators, or family party games, all in silky smooth 4K. It's not a PS5 killer, but for casual gaming, it's shockingly good. Smart home powerhouse if you've got smart lights, locks, or thermostats. This box is the brain that keeps them in sync. The Ethernet model of Apple TV 4K acts as a HomeKit and Matter hub, and even a Thread border router. That means your smart devices respond faster, stay online longer, and work even if your phone's off. You can set movie night scenes that dim your lights, lower blinds and turn on your TV, all with one Siri remote button. And if someone rings your smart doorbell, the live camera feed pops up right on screen while your show keeps playing. That's what seamless integration looks like. Which model should you buy? Here's the quick breakdown. Wi-Fi model. Perfect for streamers who just watch movies, shows, and play casual games. Ethernet plus 128GB model, ideal for power users, smart home owners, and those with 4K heavy setups. Ethernet eased for faster speeds, no buffering, and better app loading. More storage, smoother gaming, and extra room for apps. If you can stretch your budget, go Ethernet. Pro tips most people miss. Turn off reduce loud sounds unless it's late night. It kills the excitement in movies. In audio, lock your output to your HomePods or soundbar. Fewer sync issues. Enable HDMI CEC so your Siri remote powers your TV and controls volume. One button, done. Use your iPhone keyboard to type passwords. Save yourself the headache. Long press the TV button for quick settings or user switching. Double press TV to multitask or force quit buggy apps. Use AirPlay to share photos, videos, or even presentations instantly. And yes, you can now FaceTime right on your TV using your iPhone's camera via continuity camera. Who should skip it if you just want the cheapest stick to watch Netflix? Save your money. Go for a Roku Express or Fire Stick. If you're a hardcore local media collector who needs MKV playback and AI upscaling, NVIDIA Shield might serve you better. But apps like Infuse make Apple TV great even for local content lovers. If you hate Apple's ecosystem, this won't convert you. But if you value picture accuracy, zero ads, long-term performance, and speed, Apple TV 4K 2025 is unbeatable. The real value, yes. It costs more upfront, but here's what you're buying. No ads, ever. The best-in-class app speed. Picture accuracy that rivals pro setups. Seamless private listening. Smart home control baked in. 5+ years of software updates. This isn't a box you replace every year. It's one you keep. Should you wait for the next one? Short answer. Known Apple's updates to Apple TV are usually small, minor speed or chip bumps. The current model is already overpowered for streaming, gaming, and smart home control. Buy it now, enjoy it instantly, and rest easy knowing it'll stay fast for years. 2 final settings that change everything. Set chroma to 444 only if your TV supports it cleanly. Otherwise, keep default. If Dolby Vision makes SDR look dull, force 4K SDR with match content on. This single tweak fixes almost every "why does this look weird?" issue people face. Final thoughts: Apple TV 4K 2025 isn't just a streaming box, it's a refinement machine. It delivers theater-quality visuals, crystal clear sound, lightning speed, and flawless reliability, wrapped in an interface that respects your time. It's built for people who care about how things look, sound, and feel, so get the Ethernet model, but enable match frame rate and dynamic range. Pair it with good speakers, or use your iPhone for setup, and then make your smart home truly smart. If this guide helped, drop a like and comment with your TV brand, LG, Samsung, Sony, or TCL, and I'll create a custom settings video for your setup next. Because here on Trove, we don't just unbox tech. We make it work better for you.